Hello, assalamu alaikum. So in this video, I will start from the text join, right? So in the last video, I stopped in concatenate function, right? So text join, for example, here, uh, uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, full names, right? So five. I would like to join all the texts or all the names in a single row, right? So for example, so here, text join equal text join, right? Sorry, text join here. So Excel is asking for delimiter, right? So I will delimitate using the comma function, just yes, a comma, and then get it a comma. So uh, select the true, ignore the empty cell, okay, and then select all this function, right? So make it close and see enter. We see here John Geo. So this all the text are separated by comma, right? Okay, so in this way we can join the text, right? So for example, how many departments here? So we can write here equal to text function equal to text text join, right? Here for the delimiter, uh, equal eliminate by. I would like to eliminate by the semicolon, right? Okay, so comma. Here it's false. For example, including the empty cell. Okay, just I would like to include the empty cell, right? It's a false. So comma, then select this one, right? Sorry, select this row. Uh, Range. Okay, break it close and then enter. We see. Oh, here, here actually is a bracket sign, right? So I need to make it once again sales, marketing, finance, IT, and HR, right? So that's great. This is the text join.